under here, red stripe. Incredible.
I'm gonna check inside. Light looks clear.
Roger, watch the silt.
Load point verified. Chain secure. Chain 2 secure. Tension coming up. Connection holds. We're good. Chain's locked. Tension's even. She's ready for the lift.
Cables are clear. Tension holding.
Moving. Watch the wing root. It's flexing.
Roger. Keep eyes on the sediment flow.
Line's good. Taking the load.
Copy that. Holding position.
She's moving.
Bubbles increasing. Looks solid.
Surface team, we have breakthrough. Keep tension steady.
Water's pouring out. Hull above the...
Connection's locked. Ready for the lift.
Copy that. Tension coming up.
She's moving nice and steady.
Keep her clear of the intake. Looking good.
Roof is clear. Tension holding at 35 tons.
I'm steady on the port side.
Adjusting 2 links down on starboard. Roger, keep that line true. Water's coming off fast.
She sounds solid. No shift in the frame.
Keep it centered.
Copy. Tension looks good from up here.
Roger. Steadying the port strap now.
Water's still pouring out of the cockpit. Watch the surge.
We're clear. Cones above the surface.
Good work. Hold position while we swing her in.
Surface. The outer housing is shedding. Oxidation streaks are clear beneath the crust. Corrosion is deep but stable. Continuing inspection. Captain, that's another panel cleared. Corrosion's flaking right off.
Copy that. Hold your angle. Look solid from here.
She's starting to
Stay
lift.
on her side.
Understood. Keep in position.
Lights on the seam. You seen any movement?
Negative. Just surface flaking. Attachment bolt looks solid.
Copy. Crane's taking another pull.
Still stable. Tail's holding. Good to go.
Steady on the lift. Bring up another 2 meters.
Copy. Stabilizing line Bravo.
Debris coming off port side.
Let it drain. Keep that tension. She's flexing.
Line's holding. No twist on my end.
Good. Hold position. Inspect before.
Each hole gets a new rivet, same diameter, same alloy. The gun drives it through the skin, the bar shapes the tail. You can feel the panel tighten with every pull.
The fresh coat is still supple, tacky to the touch. As the minutes pass, the gloss relaxes and the surface tightens. Drips settle, edges sharpen, and a soft matte finish begins to bloom.
It's coming up smooth.
Copy. Got it. Starboard 2 inches. Hold it. Let the pin find the seat. Contact made. There it is. She's home. Lock bolts next, then we can let the crane go.